Beginning with A, adjective, another word for beautiful.
Attractive.
Beginning with B, adjective, a person with little or no hair.
Bald.
Beginning with C, noun, a special place on the road where traffic must stop if people want to cross. Pedestrian.
Crossing.
Beginning with D, verb, you don't play athletics, you athletics.
Do.
Beginning with E, noun, physical activity that you do to make your body strong and healthy.
Exercise.
Beginning with F, adjective, behaving in a pleasant, nice way towards someone.
Family.
Beginning with G, noun, writing or pictures painted on walls and public places, usually illegally.
Graffiti.
Beginning with H, noun, someone who illegally gets into someone else's computer system.
Hacker.
Beginning with I, the pronoun for it.
Itself.
Beginning with J, adjective, full of juice.
Juicy.
Beginning with K, noun, the middle part of your leg where it bends. Head, shoulders.
Knees.
Good. Beginning with L, phrasal verb, to take care of someone.
Look after.
Beginning with M, verb, expresses obligation.
Must.
Beginning with N, noun, a piece of jewellery that you wear around your neck.
Necklace.
Beginning with O, reflexive pronoun form of the pronoun we.
Ourselves.
Beginning with P, a noun, the crime of stealing things from people's pockets or bags.
Pickpocketing.
Beginning with Q, adverb, fast or in a short time.
Quickly.
Beginning with R, verb, to take money or things from someone or somewhere without permission.
Robe.
Beginning with S, adjective, not confident, especially about meeting or talking to new people.
Shy.
Beginning with T, noun, a line of cars, trucks, etc. that are moving slowly or not moving at all.
Traffic jam.
Beginning with U, adjective, not tidy.
Untidy.
Beginning with V, noun, someone who intentionally damages things in public places.
Vandal.
Beginning with W, a verb, the past continuous of is reading.
Was reading.
Beginning with X, noun, similar to a photo, shows your bones and skeleton.
X-ray.
Beginning with Y, noun, it is made from milk and it is not cheese.
Yogurt.
Beginning with Z, noun, is an animal with black and white stripes, looks like a horse.
Zebra.
Bye bye!